So what we reviewing this week? Hmm.
Hi, this is Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're here with Varoon to check out his Nissan Primera. Varoon, give us a rundown of the scanner.
Well, basically it's a Nissan Primera M6 model. The car has a sr20vet engine from the X-Trail.
Yeah.
Matched with a 6-speed gearbox. 6-speed DP12 6-speed box with LSD. Has a AEM Infinity management, GTX 2071 turbo, custom manifold done by France Performance Fabrication. Everything else, engine put the engine build, the wiring is done by a guy called Steve Menace and Varoon. Most people know by. Now walking inside,
Come sir, we talking about here?
Yeah.
Come in.
Everything done on this engine was done by that guy, from wiring to building to everything. That was his apprentice here also.
So Varoon, what suspension you're running in here?
Actually, this was an everyday car, so this have QIB AGX with Dyno and springs.
Yeah.
I have a set of coilovers of order fate, but this just in reaching time now, shipping this use. But that is my next plan for that, and then everything in the suspension is Super Pro and poly. I try to keep some stuff stock because it's gonna be a rough ride.
Yeah.
Whatever, I kinda go to keep the power down and do it, but still, it'll still spend tires.
And what about the exhaust?
The exhaust is done by Brandon from Brand Performance Fabrication. That was a full 3-inch exhaust. He downpied everything. It has a 3-inch Vibrant Performance barrel from by Tuna Imports.
Yeah.
But that I think I'll upgrade and go something, probably a HKS or something afterwards. But that's the exhaust. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're gonna actually dyno this car tonight and see what horsepower. As he said, he's just looking for some numbers, so we'll keep you guys posted.
Mr. Tuner, good night sir.
Good night.
How are you?
Mechanic, not tuner.
Mechanic. State your name for the audience.
Steve Menace,
Where you located sir?
Arima.
Very good. Where's the plan? Where's the goal? What are you feeling for?
I'm feeling to build a J to top up some reels.
Nah. Where's that? Where's that? We go follow out now.
Just do a baseline to see what the car comfortable at, and we're gonna be pushing till after.
This is from XR Performance.
XR Performance.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Ian, we know you're always providing some good products to the people. No, don't drink it now, boy. Yo, get a curly hair, woman. Take that back from me now, boy. Yo, get a curly hair, woman, boy. Relax now. No, boy. Hey, no. premium. Don't mind it looking sealed.
That's all right, hold on. I bought this heavy boy.
More power, you know.
To find some petrogen fuel.
So which part you get at?
Petrogen.
That's how petrogen.
Yeah, why?
But I normal premium, right?
Yeah, no more petrogen.
It's about what, 95 octane?
About that.
About that. Right, no see. Let me see what this mark there. Just. Oh yeah, premium. Premium.
On the
Yeah,
premium.
it mark premium. Right, so we done there at 371. It's 375 we make or 371 boy? 375 by 371 horsepower we make there. Now Varoon is having the same issue as me. Mr. Varoon, you come to make power and only check the head cover. Check anybody trying to make power, only please vent all your head covers. So Mr. Dyno Lab here would not have to clean up any oil or anything. Right, so when all come to make all power, all vent the head covers. Stay tuned. We're gonna test this thing out and see how the LSD hooking. I'll show you in far right. So they don't know. 375 in your body. Good work there, Steve. Jeez, on the edges. Good. Jeez, on the edges. Right. Whoa. Jeez and ages. Well, watch me. 375 horsepower and the LSD working. Jesus Christ. Well, yes. This 6 forward is moving. The car doing what it had to do. We impressed. Watch me as a passenger. Well, let's see I quiet, I quiet. For front wheel drive boost, different. So, boy, another successful tune. You man driving home, you happy?
Of course.
Everything 100. You understand? And all it is over this go. Big up to Dyno Lab, Steve Menace for giving us his time.
Of course.
And we out. So let's stay tuned for more videos. Well, you know how it's go. Big up all yourself, man. Latest.